This is the third part of the video, some important chemical compounds. In this video, we will learn about the next chemical compound, that is sodium hydroxide. Common name of sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. Chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Chemical formula is NaOH. Nature, that is, it is basic in nature. Color, it is white in color. And state, that is, it is found in the form of solid pellets. Now, what are the properties of sodium hydroxide? First, you should know that when sodium hydroxide pellets are dissolved in water, it produces hydroxide or OH- ion. So, it is basic in nature. Next, it is water soluble base. So, it is alkaline in nature. It has bitter taste. Not only that, it turns red litmus blue. It further reacts with metals to form oxysols and release hydrogen gas. It acts as electrolyte as it produces ions in solution. It reacts with acids to form salt and water and neutralize solution containing H+ ions. It has a slippery, soapy feel, a characteristic of a base. It dissolves fatty minerals. In this context, I would like to tell you that when we prepare soap, for that we need some oil and sodium hydroxide. So, the sodium hydroxide dissolves the fat present in oil. It reacts with ammonium salts to release ammonia gas. So, these are the properties of sodium hydroxide. Now, what are the uses of sodium hydroxide? It is used for degreasing metals. It is used to make soaps and detergents. It is used for making paper and artificial fibers. It is used as a base in industry. Next, we will learn about the uses of hydrogen gas. See, the first important use is that it is used as a rocket fuel. It is used in welding and in fusion reactions of sun. It is used in reduction reactions of metallic ores. This you will learn in the metals and non-metal chapter. It is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oils and fats to convert into vegetable ghee. This reaction you will study in carbon and its compounds. It is used as a clean fuel as it is highly inflammable. It liberates high amount of energy and is non-polluting. So that's why it is called fuel of the future. It is used in commercial fixation of nitrogen from the air in the Haber ammonia process. So these uses are very important uses of hydrogen gas. The next important uses are, it is used in methanol production, in hydroxydealkylation, hydrocracking and hydroxydesulfurization. These reactions you will learn when you go to standard 11 science. It is used in production of hydrochloric acid. It is used for filling balloons. Why? Because hydrogen gas is much lighter than air, but it has one demerit, that is, it ignites easily. Liquid hydrogen is important in cryogenics and in the study of superconductivity, since its melting point is only just above absolute zero. Cryogenic means the science of rockets that are sent to space. Here is the pictorial representation of hydrogen gas. This is an important gas. How beautifully it is shown here. You can see them. This is another way. See the major uses. First, as an hydrogen is used as a reducing agent. Second, in the synthesis of ammonia. Third, in hydrogenation of vegetable oil. And then fourth, in oxyatomic torch. And fifth, in hydrogen economy. Another way, these things that you have learned just now, they are represented pictorially here. Next comes the use of chlorine gas. All these products that we have learned, that is sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas, they are obtained from chloralkali process, that is by passing electric current through brine. So the first use of chlorine gas is that it is used as a disinfectant in drinking water as chlorine kills bacteria. It is used to treat drinking water and swimming pool water. It is used to make PVC. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes, that is. Then in bleaching powder, as pesticides, in detergents for washing clothes, and in CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons. It is also used to make hundreds of consumer products, from paper to pens and from textile to insecticides. Swimming pools need chlorine to keep the water clean and safe to swim in. Chlorine helps keep water clean by preventing the growth of algae. It keeps the pool's water safe by attacking and neutralizing harmful bacteria and microorganisms. Chlorine gas is itself very poisonous and was used as a chemical weapon during the First World War. Chlorine gas reacts with water in the mucous lining of our lungs and form hydrochloric acid. This destroys our lungs' ability to take in oxygen, and therefore becomes painful and the person dies. Drugs produced with chlorine chemistry are used to treat many medical conditions and diseases, including high cholesterol, diabetes, cancer, stomach ulcers, anemia, depression, asthma, high blood pressure, inflammation, and epilepsy.